Hi, this is Karizma Kapoor, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
It's a huge honor and privilege to have with us the one and only one, Karishma Kapoor. She's coming up with her web series, Mentalhood, on Alt Balaji. We'll talk about that and much more. Pleasure having you back with us, ma'am, on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
How's the experience? 10 episodes in this web series.
Well, absolutely fantastic. I think when Ekta actually approached me, I didn't know whether I wanted to do a web show or, something like this. But after hearing the script, मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी. And I think I wanted to reach out to the audience and just show them what I go through every day of my life. So this is a story what every mom goes through all over the globe. So in each, we've touched on very sensitive topics also, very relevant topics that are happening around the world today with parenting, with mothers, with women. So I think people will enjoy watching it.
So I think Ekta made a very important point at the promo launch, and she said that if the father does something for the kids, it's like as if ehsan kar diya, and if the mother does it, then वो तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी थी.
Yes. So there's a dialogue like that of mine also. Yes.
All right. Yes. There's a lot of inequality somehow, many a times, in the relationship.
Well, I think ये माँ का job ही है. I think mothers are, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. Whatever, in a certain way, it's the best job, but sometimes it's a thankless job कि हमको तो करना ही पड़ता है for our children because we love them, for our families. And sometimes we don't appreciate them, but it's okay. I think for a mom, it is her pleasure to take care of her children and her home and her family.
And you also said that when you became a mom, you started saying the same thing that your mom used to tell you.
Yes, absolutely. So I think I learned to appreciate my mother a lot more after becoming a mom, Like you said, they don't get appreciated, but you realize, oh my God, our mother has done so much for us.
But even I think you take someone for granted only when you love that person maybe too much.
Exactly.
Maybe I think the mothers get that love as well.
Yes, absolutely.
So it's because you're totally comfortable with the mothers.
Yes.
So how do you look at this entire changing graph of motherhood? Maybe in India, for example, over the period there was
I think people have become a lot more open. I think they become more. They discuss things more openly. But I do feel mother का जो emotion है, जो values है, वो कभी change नहीं होगा. Mother का जो instinct होता है. Like even when I became a new mom, the first advice my mother gave me कि मैं आपको सब बताऊंगी, लेकिन आपका जो instinct है अपने बच्चे के लिए, आप वो ही करना. So I think when you become a mother, that instinct होता ही है. You'll always put your children first.
From the promo, we gather that there are various aspects to various relationships in the series.
And very relevant aspects of what is happening. A lot of taboo aspects which so many women hide and they don't show to the world.
Like, for example?
I'd not give out the story. For that you have to watch the show. But there are many examples like that which women will identify with and be like, oh my God, we are going through this emotion. So as a mother also, as a woman, as a wife also, we've touched upon a lot of relevant things that are going on in the world today, in India today.
So ma'am, ये भी देखने में आता है कि that बहुत बार रिलेशनशिप्स में लोग सिर्फ अपने बच्चों के लिए एक हंसी खुशी का एक फसाद रखते हैं so that it has a positive impact on them, because I think बच्चे जो होते हैं बिल्कुल क्ले के तरीके से होते हैं, जैसा माहौल होगा वैसे ही वो बनते चले जाते हैं. आपको क्या मानना है? Because ये हम सीरीज में मुझे लगता है कि कुछ
that is also touched upon. Yes. And there are many parents who make sacrifices, but see, I cannot comment about a particular person. I think each to its own emotion. Each couple or each family would know what is right and best for their children or for their family. So yes, there are certain people who do that. Certain people feel it's better to break away कि बच्चों पे गलत असर नहीं आए.
Absolutely.
So each family to its own, but all this is dealt upon in our show.
Which is like, it's like all encompassing. Because ma'am, ये भी जैसे आपने कहा कि that it is wise at times to break away so that the child gets a nice environment and like a happy environment. Because ये भी देखने में आया कि that many a times when children who are there in unhappy marriages, it tends to have very drastic impact on their lives.
Yeah, so exactly. That's why I said, each family, what they feel best, they should do. Right. That is there.
You spoke about the son, and that son is mentioned in Mentalhood as well. Taimur is like a superstar in your family.
Well, yes, absolutely. He's a superstar. And, you know, I play a small town girl. You know, an ex-Miss Kanpur जो बॉम्बे आती है. You know, she wants big dreams for her family, husband, ambitious for the children कि वो, you know, बड़े स्कूल में जाएंगे. You know, things like that. So she also wants to take her child for a modeling assignment कि हम बॉम्बे आ गए और मेरा बेटा भी famous हो जाएगा. तैमूर की तरह, yes.
How was your childhood like?
Well, I think I had a really happy-go-lucky childhood. फिल्मों से बहुत प्यार था क्योंकि family. It was a family profession, family tradition, you know, whether it was going to RK studio on the weekends and watching my grandfather shooting, या कभी हम अपने uncle के चाचे के आ गए थे या कोई auntie का shooting होता था. तो in our family we got an opportunity to be a lot on the sets. You know, my father shoots. So actually interesting story is that Ekta and me and Tushar and Bebo, we all used to meet in Kashmir when our fathers used to do shooting वहाँ. It was a very different time, carefree time, क्योंकि उस जमाने में कोई तो phone भी नहीं था या कोई social media भी नहीं था. Be happy with entertaining each other. Yes.
You started very early.
Yes.
Professionally.
I was 17 and my first movie released before my 18th birthday. Yes, yes. I was very young.
Ekta also said that she always knew that she'll go far. Harish was your first co-star, your South film.
Yes.
And she said that you used to practice dance for 6 hours on the trot without a break.
I used to love to dance, and that time we used to go for Sarojji's dance classes. And I remember we used to learn on Tamma Tamma Loge Gana.
Of course, Sanjay Dutt and Madhuri.
Yes, I used to be there for hours together because I was like, I want to, apart from being a good actress, I want to be a superb dancer. मुझे डांस का बहुत शौक था, तो yeah, I used to just be there practicing day and night.
I think that has reflected in most of your films, and then in Dil To Pagal Hai as well, you're dancing for.
Yes, it was very different actually.
Yeah.
Dil To Pagal Hai style of dance also, that was Shamak Davar's first Bollywood movie, first Hindi movie. He had never done a movie before, and that style, that kind of posture, that kind of gait, that kind of steps were never seen in Hindi films. So it was a great challenge. I remember it used to be like, my God, we have to do this perfectly because it's going to be something revolutionary, which, you know, the Indian audience has not seen. So I'm happy that I was a part of that film.
Dil To Pagal, in many ways, it was also, I think, a turning point in your career because you're doing a lot of massy films.
And
like
this
David
was
Dhawan,
something
and this was
very,
something which is, as you said, Shaman
so
Davar.
there was Raja Hindustani before that, and Jeet also and all. But this was path breaking because as a character for an actress, वो तो भगवान से नाराज हो जाती है कि why this is happening with me, and she literally, like, she is throwing stones to God. जो nobody has seen something like that, you know, in a Hindi film. So it was very raw emotions and very, I would say, in a different way, real emotions that Yash ji, you know, wanted to bring out. In fact, Dil To Pagal Hai was a role that every actress had refused. It had in fact come to me also and went full circle, and then it came back. And Yash ji and Adi were like, no, we need a dancer because we have to have, you know, someone, you know, both the girls have to be actresses, have to be great dancers because this is a movie on dance. So then finally again, then I heard the script and I was like, okay, I'll accept the challenge.
And you won all awards for that,
including national award.
National award. It's been a tremendous journey from Coolie Number 1, which is being remade, and all sorts of Govinda films, which were a rage at that point of time, and you went on to do a movie like Fizza, for example.
Yes. So I think it was a gradual growth for me as an actor that I wanted to explore and do different kind of films, and whether it was, you know, Fizza or Zubeda, or even a film like Shakti, which was, you know, such a strong film, you know, where the actor with, you know, taking on Nana Patekar in the film at that time. So I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something more challenging, you know, that would be more fruitful as an actor. You know, today people talk about biopics and, you know, it's in to do a biopic, but that's, you know, I mean, Zubeda was done so many years ago and was a biopic. So yes, it was, I wanted to step out from my comfort zone and do different cinema. It was important for me as an actress that I just wanted to grow. A lot of people at that time were like, "Ye mat karo. Why you're doing this film? It's, you know, art house cinema." It used to be called parallel cinema at that time. But I was like, no, as an actor, I want to work with Shyamji. I want to do something different. I mean, in Fizza, I was working with Hrithik, who was, you know, a sensation at that time. But I was his sister. And I was like, no, I want to do it because the role is so fantastic and it's a story of a brother and sister. And, you know, it's very different look for me. It was a film that I did without makeup. So, you know, these things were unheard of at that time. You know, आजकल ये बहुत common हो गया है. So yeah, I think I wanted to break boundaries at that time, if you may say so.
Fizza, the title track, I think is such a wonderful song. Still,
even that
it
film
resonates.
had great music also.
It had amazing music.
Yes.
When you're having a Coolie Number One being remade now, how do you look at it?
Yes.
Because that film, whoever was around at that point of time, they know what a rage it was.
So it's really funny. I met Varun the other day. And he was telling me about some scene in Coolie Number One. You did this and you did that, or ये बहुत ही epic scene है, and it's a classic scene. I was like, I don't remember it. Coolie Number One was the first film actually with David G and Govinda. And you know, our setup with Vashu Ji and everything, it was the beginning of a different era, you would call it, you know, of us kind of doing those kind of films. I don't even remember the film, you know. I don't remember that because we used to do so many films at that time and I was so young कि मुझे याद भी नहीं है. He was telling me this scene, आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है? I was like, no, now I will see your movie and see it. I was teasing him. But yeah, it's wonderful to know it's kind of become like a classic in that sense, and like मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था song. But that is one song actually at that time when we did it also, I was like, इसमें कोई कुछ बात है. You know, it had that very homely feel, you know, at the same time being a commercial song, but it was very lovable, as you would call it. You know, it was not a typical just a dance item.
You've had so many amazing dance numbers in that era, like even in We Were Number One, for example, you had this amazing chemistry with Salman Khan.
Yes.
So many films that you guys have done together.
Yes, a lot of movies with Salman also.
Right.
Yes.
The best part was that what everyone has acknowledged, that you gave a lot of grace to your performances, your dance movements. That is something that people still remember them for.
I was just passionate about my work. I would put it that way. और उस ज़माने में, you know, passion पे films बनती थी. It was not only script, you know, कि अब ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे. We would change things around a lot. Spur of the moment में काम हो जाता था, you know. It was a lot of emotion. So I think that kind of shows on the screen, you know. And there were times like we would shoot songs in one day and 1.5 days. आजकल तो 5-6 दिन में, you know, lavish songs are happening and everything is, you know, rehearsed before and all that time. We never had no time. Like a lot of people ask me, you did rehearsal? I was like, no. It was all on the spot, like songs like What is Mobile Number and things like that. Husn Hai Suhana, we never did rehearsal. It was on set, we would practice and we would do it.
I'm just imagining what is my mobile number right now. It was, that film was such a rage as well. 90s में आपने जब आप काम कर रहे थे तो उस टाइम पे बहुत ही मुश्किल हालात में शूट्स होते थे. अभी आज के टाइम पे AC एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, इवन स्टूडियोज में हर तरफ AC होता है.
Wonderful lights also, camera change हो गया है, lighting change हो गया है.
Right.
We used to work in harsh lights and harsh reflectors. Like we could barely open our eyes. Like we had to look down and then look for the shot. So yes, we worked in a lot of harsh time.
How much of a learning experience was that for you?
I think it was an amazing learning experience. Because by the time, like I would say I've literally seen the industry change. We did not even have makeup van to change our clothes. We would go behind the bushes. या किसी का घर होता था, we used to knock the door and say हम जा सकते हैं please, थोड़ा सा हम shoot कर रहे हैं यहाँ. So from that time to like harsh lighting, not having, you know, to seeing the digital era today, where, you know, there is no magazine being shot and, you know, you're shooting in a digital time. So I think the industry has changed for the best, for the good, of course. But at that time, it was a different time and films were made on different kind of passion. So I think there's a good in each of the times. Like there were times where we would shoot in Coolie Number One and all those earlier films in Hyderabad in 50 degrees, 48 degrees without, I would be barefoot. And we would be shooting songs, Ghagra Choli, Khulle Baal, Garmi, feet with blisters. I think that is the passion with which we worked.
It has always been said that you're the first actress in the Kapoor household who actually went on to become an actress girl, and then Kareena followed after that.
So I think from our generation, I think it was a myth that, you know, Kapoor ladies were not allowed to work. My mom and Neetu auntie, they wanted to settle down, so they stopped working. But then Geeta Bali ji, Jennifer ji, they worked in films right up to 36 Chaurangi Lane. So they did work. I think it was only then there was a long gap because my father's sisters, they were not interested in films. So ये myth बन गया था, you know, Kapoor girls, ladies don't work in movies. And then yes, finally it was me and I was a female, and then I kind of decided that I did want to work. And I think the family supported me.
Right.
They did.
How do you look at Kareena's journey? Because she has managed to carve out a niche of her own.
Well, I think it's been a spectacular journey. Not only is she so talented as an actor, but I think she's setting the bar and setting an example that, you know, you can be married, you can have a child, and you can still be working in commercial films and be top of your game. So I think she's become an inspiration for this generation of actors that, you know, you can have a personal life, you can get married, and you can be at the top. So definitely she has, it's been path breaking.
You spoke about Zubeda and how it was a biopic at that point of time. You've always been in excellent shape. You've been working out, and it's very obvious. Why is it that we're not seeing more of you in movies? Because I think some very nice
Honestly, it's been a
films
choice.
are being made.
Honestly, it was out of choice. When I became a mom, I chose that I wanted to stay at home. It was my choice. I could easily, you know, do 2-3 films and be working. But, you know, today when you do a movie, it's a big commitment. And that time my kids were younger. So I actually deliberately stayed away because I wanted to give that family time.
But now
So,
we can see.
well, hopefully, I've never planned anything in my life. Even Mentalhood just happened, and on a whim, and of course, whim, and a good whim, meaning because I like the script. मैंने बोला हाँ, चलो मैं कर लेती हूँ. So you never know what I may do next.
We've taken a few questions for you, ma'am, on Twitter. So let's see what your fans have to say.
Okay.
This is Pranjal from Delhi. Sarah is playing the role of Malti in Coolie Number 1 remake. What are your thoughts on it?
Well, I'm very excited, and I'm waiting to see Coolie Number 1, and I'm waiting to see Varun and Sarah play the roles.
And this is Tanveer Raj Chaudhary from Silchar, Assam. When can we expect you and Shah Rukh Khan together in a movie?
Well, hopefully soon. You never know.
This is Subhangani Singh from Siliguri, West Bengal. Ma'am, please do a film with Kareena. I love this sister duo. Folded hands.
Well, I'm sure, I mean, we would love to work together, but we have to find the right script. If someone really gives us a fantastic story, I'm sure we'll do it.
This is Priyanka Agarwal from New Delhi. A few songs of Coolie Number 1 are being recreated. What are your thoughts on it?
Well, I'm excited to watch them. I want to see what and how they've recreated them. And in fact, David G has told me that he's going to be calling me for the trial. So I'm waiting to see it.
Can we see like a cameo from you?
Not in this one.
This is Akshata. So I don't know from where, but Akshata. Have you taken a break? We fans are missing you on screen and especially watching your dance. When can we see you in a full-fledged movie with some great scripts? Last one, ma'am, your thoughts on classic movie Coolie Number 1. It's difficult to see someone in role like yours. So basically, they
well,
want
it's so
to see
nice
you.
that people call Coolie Number 1 a classic. You know, where did we think that, you know, number 1 series films people would, you know, consider a classic? So I think that's
It's so
a great
entertaining. Even now, if you watch them, they're so
great
entertaining.
compliment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we had great fun making these movies, firstly. And I'm glad it's being remade, and I think it'll be exciting and different to watch, you know, it being recreated in a different way. And you never know, I've never planned anything in my life. Maybe I may do a movie again, maybe I won't. I don't know.
And she wants you to dance as well.
Okay, and I may dance in it also.
This is Nivas Bishnoi from Jaipur. Which is your toughest role you have played in your film career?
Wow. That's a tough question, an interesting question, but I would say maybe Shakti.
Okay, you
I
think
would
Shakti
say.
was...
I would say because the circumstances of working were very tough. Like we were shooting outside Jodhpur, and there would be days like I would be in the sand, you know, where they show Nanaji's character, you know, beating me up, and I would come back from the shoot and stand under the shower, and there would be kilos and kilos of mitti, of wraith coming off me.
My God.
So it was a tough shoot, you know, of many days in the sand dunes, in Rajasthan, playing a mother, seeing that little child cry also, and, you know, doing those scenes of, you know, someone grabbing your child.
Absolutely.
So I would say that was a tough film.
This is Manoj from Kolkata. You are just an incredible performer. According to you, which movie of yours grown you as an actor? Basically, she means to say that
You know,
you felt that.
honestly, I would
And who is your all-time favorite co-star? I'm sorry, and lots of love and respect for you. Always, ma'am, red heart, folded hands.
Thank you. So I would honestly see the bigger picture and tell you that every film has contributed to my growth as an actor, and you know, slowly getting to a point of like, you know, doing different challenging roles, different kind of roles, you know, giving me that confidence at that time to have taken up these kind of character. So I think each film has contributed a little bit to my growth as an actor.
This is Kumar from Bhubaneswar. Rumors saying you are part of Suryavanshi playing a special character.
No.
Is it true?
No.
Okay, this is Amarjeet Kumar from Patna. Working with whom you feel most energetic? SRK, Salman or Amir?
Oh my God. I can't name one. I think I've thankfully had done some good body of work with all three of them. You know, important films of
Sure.
my career, good films of my career. So I really can't pick one.
So there had been so many stories when Raja Hindustani came out that it should have been named Rani Hindustani. And your performance was on next level in terms of emotion packed. So I've spoken to Dharmesh Darshanji at length, and he has told me so many stories. I'm sure that film will remain a very important, one of the biggest hits of all times. People don't know how big a hit that film was.
I mean, I think Dharmesh, of course, had a lot of faith in his actors and a lot of faith in the story, and it became what it became. And definitely, I think it was a wonderful movie with great music and great scenes to perform. I think this is one of the earlier films, you would say, that even dealt with a taboo topic like, say, divorce and separation. And then, you know, her saying, I'll not give a divorce. You know, that kind of conflict of talking openly about, you know, being separated and divorce. It was one of the first films, you know, in that sense, progressive also.
Rapid fire with Karishma Kapoor. How would you define the word mother in 3 words?
Master of multitasking.
What is the biggest difference between the journey of motherhood and fatherhood?
Well, I think both are equally important and both of them are extremely relevant. And I guess you'll have to ask a father about fatherhood. But I think for motherhood, I think it's the most beautiful journey, and I'm sure for a father as well.
What's something that most of the mothers ask their children to refrain themselves from, but you haven't ever asked your daughter for the same?
Couldn't be anything like that. But we always say, na, ki eat healthy, don't eat junk food.
What is that one question you'd almost daily ask your daughter, which she would find irritating?
Khana khaya kya theek se? Like every mom, yeah.
Any favorite Indian web series of yours, ma'am, apart from Mental Rib?
Should I say Sacred Games because of Saifu?
If you were to make your Bollywood debut today, which actor would you love to act opposite?
My God. I think today there's so much talent out there. I wouldn't pick one person, but I'd just like to tell all the newcomers who are coming that they're so amazing because they're all so prepared. When we were newcomers, we didn't know much. Like we would just maybe prepare in like dance or something, but aajkal they are pat in everything. Sure. Like fantastic.
One advantage and one disadvantage of having so many celebrities in your family?
Well, I would not call it a disadvantage. I think the only, in a way, disadvantage would be that when we were newcomers, when we entered the line, there would be a lot of expectation. And even अगर हमने अच्छा भी किया, तो लोग कहते थे, वो तो होना ही था ना, वो तो ये family से है. But with another newcomer, they knew they would get more of a chance. हाँ, newcomer के लिए इसने तो बहुत अच्छा किया. So I think we always had that pressure. I think a star child always kind of has that pressure on them, you know, to live up to expectations of their mother, father. And for us, and for me, it was like mother, father, grandfather, great-grandfather, uncles, aunts, so many people.
Too many of them,
Yes.
yeah. A film of yours that couldn't do well at the box office, but is still one of your favorites.
Andaz Apna Apna did not do well at the box office at that time, but today it's a cult movie.
It's a cult
movie.
You can watch it anytime. From the following co-stars of yours, what is something that hasn't changed over all these years? Amir Khan, what do you think hasn't changed about
Still a perfectionist.
Shah Rukh Khan?
Full of energy.
Saif Ali Khan?
Always like being fun and cracking jokes.
Salman Khan?
Always being the relaxed, cool dude.
Govinda?
Always up for a retake. चाहे वो हम लोग reality show में भी जाए तो he wants to like do it better. Yeah.
Kuli number 1 या हसीना मान जाएगी?
Kuli number 1.
आरती इन राजा हिंदुस्तानी या सपना इन हम साथ साथ हैं?
आरती इन राजा हिंदुस्तानी. Sorry सूरज जी.
परदेसी परदेसी या सोना कितना सोना है?
Dharmesh is going to kill me, but सोना कितना सोना है.
अच्छा. But that Pardesi song was a rage, I think, in the history of Indian cinema.
Yes.
बहुत कम गाने इतने popular हुए हैं, the way that song was.
Yes.
यूपी वाला ठुमका या सरकाई लो खटिया?
सरकाई लो खटिया.
Gym या yoga?
Yoga.
Romantic comedy या action comedy, your favorite genre?
Romantic comedy.
Newspaper या online blogs?
Newspaper.
Most of the times, father's love gets overshadowed by mother's love.
True.
I've been offered several scripts after Dangerous Ishq, but I rejected them.
Yes, it's true. But out of choice.
I had signed some films just for the sake of friendship, though I didn't like the script.
Many times.
Many times. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was wonderful talking to you, and all the best wishes for Mental Load.
Thank you.
And would love to see much more of you on the big screen,
Thank
because
you
I
so
think you are an
much.
amazing actress, and would love to.
Thank
And as your fans are saying, would love to see you dance once again.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Karisma Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.